Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we got one that I've never ever done before, which is like kind of the theme of this month. I just wanted to try new things and stuff, so I actually teamed up with my friend Bailey and she wanted to do Emily from Corpse Bride, so I decided I would be Victor, which I've never attempted before, and I love this movie so much, so I was actually really excited to try it. And I think it came out okay, so if you guys want to see me transform into Victor from Corpse Bride, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications because we're almost done with 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, and there's going to be a really crazy one tomorrow actually, so you really want to check that out, and let's just jump into this one. Alright, first up is gluing down the eyebrows. We're just taking some Elmer's glue. And then we're just taking that cream paint from Ben Nye all over the face. He is like basically black and white, so this was kind of fun and challenging at the same time. Just powdering the brows so that we don't get those all sticky. And then just finishing off the face. And you gotta powder everything. And we're taking this Mehron Mimi Choi palette. Love this. The gray is really great, so that's why I'm using this one. And this one's a gray shadow, so just kind of contouring around his eyes and nose. He looks like pretty sad, so we needed those sad eyes. And then bringing it below the eyes to give him those big Tim Burton eyes. Then just shading everything with like a black shadow just to darken it a little bit more. Shaping his mouth. This whole thing was basically just black and white. Drawing on his sad eyebrows. He matches Emily with those, and I really love that. Just mapping out his eyes a little bit more, just to make them stand out, and then contouring his face a little bit because he has a really narrow face. Okay, so now I'm taking some gray face paint and just mapping out the big tie that he has, and his suit is just a bunch of different colors of gray. Now I'm taking a black shadow. I'm going to start shading everything just to make the clothes look super three-dimensional. It was a fun challenge for sure to do everything almost the same color but kind of make it look different. And I wanted the tie to look round, so I'm just shading around it and then shading around the collar and the shirt, giving it some creases. Then just using a black face paint to add a little bit more dimension to it. Shading the eyes again because I felt like it just wasn't popping enough for me, so you know, I just add so many layers to everything. And then the final touch is the white that really makes everything pop, so if you put it right in the center of the tie, it makes it look more three-dimensional. Then just fixing up the nose a little bit more, darkening his little sad eyebrow area. There you guys go. I added this weird wig that I bought that was like kind of short, so I like pinned it back a little bit, tried to make it look like Victor. Popped in these white contacts, and just let me know if you guys like it. I think it came out okay. I have never tried Victor before, so I was really intimidated, but I am happy with how it came out for sure. So let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see the picture of this and my friend Bailey's picture of Corpse Bride, then check out my Instagram. I'm going to have everything over there. I do have some videos on TikTok as well if you want to check that out. And if you did like it, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I can't believe it's already day 27. How did it go by so fast, guys? And thanks again for 1,000 subscribers on here. It's so amazing, and I really appreciate all your support. And tomorrow I have another fun collab with another friend, and it might be Simpsons themed, so make sure you come back for that one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.